It's kind of a funny thing. It's called a micelle that develops. But essentially, all of our cells there's a water structure in the center, and there's water on the outside. And the way that they separate those two environments is with a sphere, for the most part, of fat, okay? So this fat that it's made up of here on the outside, fats only dissolve other fats that are kind of similar to them. So the fat that makes up for the green lip muscle oil is what they call phospholipids, and that's the same. You have phospholipids for your cell. So what happens is when the phospholipids from the green lip muscle oil hits your cell, they're exactly the same. So think about what happens, like if you put oil and water and then you put some more next to it and kind of push it together, what happens? The bubble becomes one because it merges, because they know each other. That's the same thing that happens with the green lip muscle oil in your cells. It hits that and it immediately goes bloop, bloop, and connects and forms. So everything that was inside the green lip muscle comes over and goes into your cell.
Oh my God, that's amazing.
But that doesn't happen with fish oil. It's a different type. That's why the fish oil pills have to be so huge, because you don't get that much absorption. And so it's not that the ingredients inside are good, but it can't, when it hits your cell, very little of it goes in. So the way that problem is solved for them is, I'll just give the guy a ton of it and hope some of it goes in. Yeah. And a little bit does go in. But the other thing with fish oil too is it only has DHA and EPA, which is only 2 types of omega-3s, whereas the green lip muscle has a lot. Wow. You know, we say different numbers. I sometimes say 16, but 16 to 18 probably different ones.
Nice. And
each one of those hits a different thing. So then, just like I was saying, when I hit like right now when I'm stressing my body and I'm trying to eat good and get multifactorial benefit, so the omega-3 from the green lip muscle is unbelievable. But then when you combine it with like all of his other plants and botanicals, all that stuff, you get like double effect, because you get the anti-inflammatory of the omega, plus you get all the antioxidant, anti-inflammatory from the other. And it all works together.
Oh wow!
So it's even better.
That explains
awesome.
why I feel so good after taking it. I've
only done
it for 5
That
days.
is how you explain it right there, Dr.
I think
Gabriel.
so.
Yes!
I know it's being filmed.
That
so
is awesome.
I love it.
It's always like,
All right.
Yeah.
you know.